Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Also, please don't forget to click that bell and turn on your post notifications so you get notified of any future videos. Alright you guys, so it is officially spring and I'm so excited. So since now we're in spring, we get to create these beautiful bright colored eye looks and I'm all for it. So I'm going to be going in with the Morphe 35S Sweet Oasis palette today. This palette is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to share with you guys real quick what it looks like. It's right here. You guys have seen me use this palette a couple of times already on my channel. So I'm going to be going in with these blues today. And if you guys want to see me do another look with this palette using maybe like more pinks or more like everyday colors, you know, creating an everyday look, let me know and we can make that happen. Just, you know what to do. Leave that comment down below. I'm going to be going in with the BH Cosmetics number 6 brush from the Nazani Kavari brush set. And I'm going to start off with this shade here. This one is called Saltwater Dip, which is this one here. And I'm just going to use that as my transition. I kind of want to just do an all blue eye look. That's what I'm aiming for. So let's see if we can accomplish that. So I'm just going to apply that shade right into the crease as my transition. Alright, so now I'm going to be switching brushes. I'm going to be grabbing this BH Cosmetics number 8 brush and going in with this shade right here. It's called Sail Away. I'm going to be grabbing a little bit of that. I'm just going to apply that right into the crease to deepen it up a little bit. I'm also going to flip my brush with this side right here because this is where I picked up the shadow, and I'm going to make sure it's facing up right into the socket, and I'm just going to blend. Alright guys, and now I'm going to switch brushes again, and I'm going to go in with this brush here. This is the JS6, and I'm going to be going in with Snorkel Sesh, which is this one right next to Sail Away. This one here. And I'm going to apply that right over here on the outer V and also in the crease. So I'm basically mixing all of these shades together. Look at that. I think it looks really pretty. This color just, woo! This shade is absolutely gorgeous. Alright, so now that I blended everything out, I'm going to be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, and I'm just going to do a little bit of a cut crease. Alright, so now I'm going to be going in with the JH41 brush, and I'm going to be going in with this shade right here. This one is called Island Hop, and I'm just going to apply that right on top of where I cut the crease. Going back in with that JS6 brush, I'm going to be going in with Snorkel Sesh again, and I'm just going to blend the outer V just a little bit into that shade. I want them to blend really nice into one another. Alright, so I'm going to go back in with that blending brush, and I'm just going to blend everything out again. Make sure everything's nice, soft and blended. This brush is perfect. Like, it just does the job for you. Alright you guys, so what I'm going to do now is go off camera, apply some lashes, and then I'll be back to finish off the rest of the look. Alright you guys, so I finished applying my lashes. Now we're going to move on to face primer. I'm going to be going in with the NYX Marshmallow Primer. For foundation, I'm going to be going in with this one from Sephora. This is the Best Skin Ever foundation, and I actually really love this foundation, so I'm just going to go in with that right there, and I'm going to be going in with the Moda brush. So I'm just going to start applying this while blending it all over. Moving on to concealer, I'm going to be going in with this one right here. This one is the Benefit Boing Cakeless Concealer in the shade number 6.5. I'm just going to apply that right here. A little here, and a little there. Sides of the nose, mouth, same thing on this side. I'm going to be using a sponge for the, to blend it out. So I'm just going to spray my sponge a little bit and make sure it's a little damp. Now I'm just going to go in and blend it out. Now I'm going to go in cream bronze. I'm going to go in with this one right here from LA Girl. This is the, what is this? LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. I'm going to be going in with this brush right here. This is from Real Techniques, and this is my contour brush. Now I'm going to be going in with this right here. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Setting Powder, and I'm going to be grabbing this sponge right here. I believe it's from e.l.f. And I'm going to grab a little bit of the powder, and I'm going to go in and set my under eye. Alright, so I know I look a little bit crazy right now, but I'm going to let that sit for a little bit. And now I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty bronzer, and this one is in the shade Shady Biz. I'm going to be grabbing a little bit of the bronzer on the Sigma Powder Blush brush F10 from Sigma, and I'm just going to grab some of the bronzer and just set the outer perimeter. Now I'm going to go in with this brush right here from Real Techniques, and I'm just going to clean off the powder. Alright guys, now I'm going to go in with this brush right here. This one is the Sigma Pencil E30. I'm going to go in with a little bit of Sail Away and Snorkel Sesh mixed together, and I'm just going to apply that on the lower lash line. Now I'm going to be grabbing the Sigma Shader Inner Corner E46 brush, which is this one here. I'm going to be going in with Island Hop and a little bit of Coastline Cruise, mixing those two shades together and applying that right here on the inner corner just for a little bit of a pop. I'm also going to be going in with a little bit of blush right here. This is the BH Cosmetics Vanilla Peach Truffle blush palette, and I'm going to be grabbing the coral shades here with a BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm just going to apply it on the high points of the cheek. Moving on to highlighter, I've been super obsessed with this one. This one is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've been totally obsessed, like I said, and this one is the Iced Out highlighter. I'm going to be going in with the Nazani Kavari highlighter brush. This one's the number 5, and I'm just going to apply some of this right on the high points. Moving on to lip liner, I'm going to be going in with this one right here. This one's from NYX. This is the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Sandstorm. To finish off the lips, I'm going to be going in with this one right here. This one is the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer in the shade Unreal. To set the makeup, you guys, I'm going to be going in with this one from NYX. This is the Bare With Me Prime Set and Refresh. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this spring makeup look. Absolutely love the blue on the eyes. I think it just looks so pretty. Very nice pop of color and perfect for the springtime. So if you enjoyed today's makeup look, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!